The stereotype that we are attending to this time is South Indians do not know Hindi well.
Bro.
Bro, he's written Jatri. Jatri.
That's not so. How do you know how to write it in Hindi? This ba, how you know that?
Expert. Hey, I'm expert, bro.
Okay.
42
So,
आया मेरे को.
Write it in Hindi. If you get the matras right, you'll get 2 points. If you don't get it right,
What
you'll
is
get 1.
Matra.
I think his mom will be very proud of him when she watches this video.
Ma, this is for you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Skewed Perspective. And in this video, like always, none of us know what we're going to do. But as contestants, we have Mr. Bhargav, aka Burger, and we have GB and myself, and we have Mr. Skadush as the host, and we have another personal assistant of Skadush. We have no fucking clue what he's going to do in the episode. So can you just go ahead and explain what this is about?
Okay, sure. So boys, one of the things that we've done in the previous episodes, or people as the audience know, is we attend to stereotypes. Okay. The last stereotype that we attended to was that men do not know about women's products. The stereotype that we are attending to this time is South Indians do not know Hindi well.
Bro.
So,
God.
Hindi.
so
We know the loser.
okay, boys.
Hey.
So,
Okay.
hey. Okay, anyways. So, this show will be about Hindi. I will not go into details and I will not ask you things that are not necessary. Okay. And it is not just about speaking. You will have to write down things. And we will.
Bro.
Wait, do we have to write it down in Hindi?
Yes.
Hey, I'm out.
So, these are your slates. Okay.
Dude.
Boys, okay. So the rules of the games will be told to you as we proceed forward. Okay.
Cut it.
Now,
Okay, that was the episode, guys. Thank you for watching Skewed
Please.
Perspective.
What is
Please
it?
like, share, subscribe.
Share and subscribe.
okay.
And sub.
So for round 1, we will have one word, things that you see close to each other. I mean, around us. Okay, boys, fine. Things that we see next to us. So there'll be 3 parts in these questions. One will be what the word itself is. I will ask you to translate the word. Second part is you will have to write that word in that right format. For example, if the word is banana. So Kela can be written Kela also. So first write the English part. Then write how you write it in Hindi. And then if you guys remember, Hindi has genders. So everything, every word or every material has a gender. So you have to write striling or pulling. Luckily, we're not doing a Sanskrit this thing. So there's no npunsakling. So it's either pulling or striling.
But this episode didn't have to be a surprise. We couldn't have prepared for it anyway.
No, I mean,
I swear I couldn't pass. Like, I barely passed my 10th, 12th over there. Preparing for years.
okay, fine, sure.
Okay,
Should we get started?
don't
Oh.
copy.
Don't have a choice.
So you guys have 30 seconds. You have the timer, right? By the way, the reason why Vaibhav is here is not because he's the assistant. Okay.
He's gonna help, obviously.
So yes, he is the expert. That is why he cannot be a part of this.
Expert. Hey, I'm expert, bro.
Okay.
42 आया
So
मेरे को.
in every section which is there, one question, one of you can ask him to come and help you guys. So there are 7 in this. So choose wisely. The first question or the first word is apple.
Dude, I don't even remember anything in Hindi, dude.
I think I'm gonna ace this shit again like last time.
Okay, time done, boys. Boys, chalks off. Reveal your answers in 3, 2, 1. Okay, can you show me the answers? Bro, sure.
Up.
Bro, I thought I was starting on an easy level. So,
Sep.
none of you have gotten the word right. It's seb.
Sab.
So, none of you have gotten point. The second word is coconut. So, reveal the answers to your cameras in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, can you show me the answers?
How do you know how to write it in Hindi?
So, moving on to the next question, boys, which is the third word. The word is umbrella.
I don't know how to write chada. What the fuck?
Same. I swear to God, same thing.
Okay, reveal in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, can you show me? Bro, he's written Jatri. Jatri.
That's not so.
Everyone's gotten the gender wrong. So the 6th question is incense sticks.
Come here, no, I want help with the spelling.
Oh.
Okay, so yeah, Mooncake has asked for expert advice.
Wait.
I have to write,
And reveal to the cameras. Reveal to the camera. Okay, can you show it to me? No one got it right in Hindi, by the way. Show me what?
Hey, useless expert on the panel.
He's
He's hopeless.
last question of this section is lid. Lid of a box or anything. Of
Like
any
a jar or
container.
something.
Yes.
What?
Yes, very good. I love it.
What expert you gave now?
There's a half goal also.
Hey. He's looking down. He's looking. He's looking on that side. Okay. Reveal.
Dakkan. Oh.
Correct. It is Dhakkan.
I don't like to discriminate like this words.
Okay. So boys, now part 2, there'll be multiple things. I will give you 15 seconds for everything, for every part. After 15 seconds, I'll tell you a name. You have to write 15 seconds, write a name. I will not ask you to reveal. I will tell you in Hindi, you have to write in English. And this will be easier than the first level. Yeah, start. The first word is Kandha.
Easy, it seems. Dickhead.
The second word is Jeeb. The third word is Matha.
Help.
The fourth word is Kalai.
Huh?
Chittiya kalaiya ve.
Ah.
Chittiya
Timer?
kalaiya ve.
The fifth one is Mastishk.
Some ice cream flavor, it sounds like. What the fuck is that?
Dude, you know, I don't know. He said body parts are writing something.
This body part. Okay. The next word is AD. The next one is Jigar.
Bro, why da?
जिगर का टुकड़ा है तू.
Last one is Maspeshi.
Huh?
Maspeshi.
Mass patient.
Maspeshi.
Hey.
Can you show the camera your answers? Yes.
Why do we'll just go one by one?
Your
No.
8 answers.
Krishna.
Camera.
What the fuck is Krishna? Da?
Okay. So the first one, who's written shoulder? He's written shoulder.
Dude, he cut and wrote again, bro.
No, but he wrote it in the time. It doesn't matter. Second one is tongue.
Oh yeah.
Jeeb is tongue.
Mouth I put.
Yeah, that's wrong. The third one is forehead.
Oh, boy.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Hey, dude, he heard
Then-
web of
Then
knowledge.
Kalai
Hey,
is wrist.
that fellow was different.
Kalai is wrist. You've not gotten anything, no?
Nothing. I didn't write a single
Okay.
body part in this.
Mastishk is brain.
Bro, I wrote eyelash close to brain.
I wrote matchbox.
AD is heel.
Heel.
Hey, ankle also is.
No.
Gopal, dude,
I
I
don't know what
don't
actual
want
word
this
is
guy.
not.
Da. I want a new
Any
expert.
I wrote ladder, bro.
Can you get a new?
Jigar is not heart, it's liver.
Ayo.
Bro, I wrote chest.
Every time, I know people make this mistake.
Jigar is heart, da. Jigar
No.
ka tukda.
No.
Last one is brain.
Yes. No. No, wait, no. Maspeshi is muscle.
Dude, even I don't know. First he said Kanta something. No, I thought Kanha, Kanta something. Krishna. heard me.
Kana, Jnanyam Dona, Trishura.
Now, this is a very simple thing, a part of our daily life. I will give you 1 minute. You have to write down all of them. It's days of the week. In Hindi. You have to write it in Hindi only. You don't know. Huh?
One day I go
Which one?
Tuesday.
Okay.
That only I was going to ask the expert. I was just going to ask expert what is Tuesday.
By the way, people who are wondering why Vaibhav is here, he's because the contestant we had selected sang his name. So that's why we had to keep him. We can't.
Video
Show the
evidence
camera.
is there.
Show the
Evidence,
camera.
boys.
Spelling
No,
is-
show it properly. Show it properly.
How
Otherwise-
is spelling good in Hindi, dude?
Okay.
I
Like,
forgot
boys,
one.
can you show me what it is? Okay.
Okay, now
So
I'm a little
then,
peaceful
the
in
next
life.
question now is, write it in Hindi. If you get the matras right, you'll get 2 points. If you don't get it right,
What
you'll
is
get 1 point.
Matra.
Matra is yours.
Chandrabindu.
Okay.
Yeah, all of that. E ki matra, U ki matra, all that. These are numbers now in Hindi.
Hey, I'm walking out. Da.
This is actually hard. I don't blame you guys if you don't get it. You'll count till 69 now.
420 is easy now.
420 should be easy. If you guys get 420.
Oh yes, thanks. I know.
Help.
420.
He also won't know. You know?
666, I don't know. 420.
420.
420. Fucking.
Tell what is
No.
69.
Go help him with the spelling.
Even I
Help
want
him
to know
with the spelling
69.
of-
Come.
Wait. He's not done with me.
He doesn't know 60. You know 69?
No.
He doesn't know. Nice. Reveal in 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay? Yes.
Yeah.
What is the point of me calling an expert?
So you get 1 point, these guys get 2 points. Same thing like last time, 15 seconds for each question, but I will ask questions in succession. So there are 7 of them. Now, these are relationships.
अरे यार किधर से आता रे ऐसा लोग
ऐसा लोग
cut 5 points to that.
hey please something
No, that is bonus points I'll give you. Okay, so the first relationship is maternal grandmother. Second one is paternal grandfather. Okay,
you laughing that
is something that we use regularly. Brother's wife. Look, everyone, look at the smile on Mooncake's face, please. If this is not being recorded, please look there. Okay. The next one is mother's sister. The next one is wife's brother. The one after that is sister's son. Cool. The last one is father's sister's husband.
father's
Sister's husband, which is your uncle. But what is father's sister's husband called in Hindi?
father sister's husband my face
Your paternal aunt's husband.
hey balls leave
Okay, fine. Are you done?
Yeah.
Done. Okay, boys, can you reveal the answers to the camera?
I think we should just say it loud like once. What did you write? What did you write? What did I write?
Daddy.
One, when
Oh,
you're
is it?
revealing, because you
Okay,
can't see anything here.
Wait. So, maternal grandmother is?
Dadi.
It's Nani. Paternal grandfather is?
Dada.
Brother's wife is?
Babi
Bhabi.
Babi.
Mother's sister is?
Mausi.
Badi ma.
Mausi.
Masi.
Okay. Wife's brother is?
Sala
Perfect.
Wives?
Brother is Sala.
Oh yeah.
I wrote Jiju.
No, Jiju's sister's husband. Sister's son is?
Batija.
जीजू का बेटा
Oh, wait.
Oh, Bhatija.
It is, but it's also. Does anyone else have the word?
Did I fucking get it right?
You got it. You got the alternate word. It's Bhanja, but it's
Batija.
also Bhatija.
Bro!
That is actually
What you
insane.
got right now?
That's
No,
actually
two.
insane.
I got Babi right.
And father's sister's husband.
I wrote
Mama.
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 No, Mama is mother's
Mother's brother.
mother's brother.
What? So nothing you got right. Only
So-
Sala.
It's Fufa.
Babi bro
Fufa. This Baba. How you
Now
know
see,
that? Dude, how are
Okay.
these people spelling correct?
Dude, they're getting the spelling right.
Yeah, how?
He is getting the spelling
He is
very
so
perfectly.
ace.
Did you expect me to lead at this point?
I think his mom will be very proud of him when she watches this video.
Ma, this is for you.
The next one is kind of a nightmare that we used to have in school. Okay, which is Paryayvachi Shabd.
Oh my god.
Okay, by the way,
Don't ask expert in
you shout out the answer. What is it called in English? What is Paryayvachi Shabd?
proverbs
Parayaj.
What is
Synonyms.
Paryay?
Synonyms.
He got
I
it.
got it right.
Yeah, even I said it no.
When
He got
after
it
half an
before
hour.
The first word is Atithi. The second word is Beta.
Hey, it's over. Time is over. He can't ask now.
He'll
I'm
ask the
asking
second
for
one.
another word what is your
The
problem
second one is Beta. The third word is Adharma.
Why you looking?
The fourth word is Janani. The next one is Aankh. Done. You
Yeah,
can't.
I'm erasing that shit he wrote.
Fine. Reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Just ask us. There's no point showing. Just
Okay.
ask us each.
So, Mehman is, Atithi is Mehman.
Mehman.
yeah mehman
Okay.
You wrote Mehman.
No, I didn't write.
mehman
The next word is Beta. Who's written?
Bacha.
bacha I wrote
Oh, I forgot
No,
Bacha.
Bacha is gender neutral. Gender neutral, so that cannot be accepted. I mean, we accept genders, but that is gender neutral. My bad. So,
what you tell answer
it's Putra. Putra, Putra, Vanshaj. There are many words, okay?
Yeah.
Adharma. Anyone's written?
I wrote cruel but I know it's wrong
Nice.
What is it?
Cruel. It's a cruel is cruel.
yeah
Cruel is cruel.
Nine Safi.
That is injustice.
yeah
Adharma.
No, it's
is-
Pap. It's a simple word. Okay.
Papa.
The next word
Punya.
is Janani. What have you written?
ma mata
Fucking hell, he got 2. So he's getting 4 points for that.
Three.
That's 3, yeah.
What is Janani?
Mother.
What did you write?
ma
He wrote Ma and Mata, so he gets 4 points for that.
Yoppa.
The next one is Aankh.
Nena.
Okay, I'll give you that.
I wrote
The spelling is wrong.
I didn't know.
What have you written?
nothing
Okay, cool.
The one
The
that he
tables
knew.
have turned now. So it's 31, 21 and 20.
1 point
31?
over no game over
No, there's one left now.
Oh, yo.
One second.
Not
difference.
He
Then
gets
shut
one
up
more
and play.
point. He gets the.
Oh yeah, I get one more point. It's
Paryayvachi
equal.
first.
I get synonymous.
Oh,
yeah.
yes.
Oh.
It's equal.
Thanks, GB. Thanks for that.
The last one, going
I'll
equal
remember
on
this.
points. Okay. So these are phrases that are used in Hindi. So the first one is Bandar kya jane adrak ka swad. What does it mean? You have 45 seconds. So it's not just saying
What-
how will a monkey know
what is the taste of this
ginger?
thing?
When
That's
is
not-
it used? Anyways, fine. Should we go ahead? Reveal your answers. What have you written? Show me
Not
answer.
knowing the value of things.
I wrote true value of things.
Okay, correct. No. Both are fine. What is that?
People don't
People
know.
don't know the value. I didn't complete it, but that's
Yeah.
what
So basically, it means that when some person is like doesn't have the knowledge in a particular field,
Yeah, I mean-
so he will not know the value of things. Okay, sure. The next one is
Pressure.
Asteen ka saap. Can you show the camera your answers? Are your answers seen? Oh, can you put your hand ahead so that the camera can see most probably?
I can't read even what is that.
What is that?
What is it?
Like waiting to bite back, like the correct opportunity to
No, what is you?
I put contrast.
Revenge of Snake. Which part 1,
Should
part
I-
2? Which movie?
No, you know where he got it from. Like on Sony Max, how they convert Telugu movies to a Hindi title. No.
Revenge of
By the way,
Made
I
in
didn't
jungle.
even tell you what. Why did you erase? You were right.
So what? I was right now.
Can't
Yeah.
trust, no.
So you can't trust a person. That's a not trustworthy person. So that's what.
Yeah,
it means.
I meant that only, but then I didn't write it
Yeah.
properly.
Now the next one is not a muhavara that is used in general, but it was there in a very famous video. Okay, which is Udta Tir Bund Milena.
Wrote no. We'll show.
Sure.
Unnecessarily getting into trouble.
Oh,
Correct.
correct.
What did you write? Nothing.
Suck it.
Should we go for the next one?
Yes. Yeah,
Boys.
Burger's face, I like it.
Now.
It's like Hamilton's face. okay.
Safety car. Okay.
No offense, Hamilton.
So the next one is Eid Ka Chand. What does it mean? Show. What is it? Show me.
Beautiful moon. I said rare, like once in a blue moon kind of thing. Very rare things.
Correct. Once in a blue moon. It is once in a blue moon. So boys, the second last one. Ghar ki murgi dal barabar. Show your answers to the camera. Show your answers to the camera.
Just put not appreciating home things. Like if you did it
It's almost
and outside person did
Correct.
it.
No, nothing like home. What is it? Chicken better than dal. The last thing is, I don't know if anyone will know this, but let's see. Okay. So it's a doha by
Doha.
Sant Kabir.
Oh, yo.
Okay. So you have to complete the doha. Everyone knows the first part, which is Kal kare so aaj kare so ab. What is after that?
all of
Actually,
us,
all of you are asking.
No,
Yeah, then there's
none
no
of us-
point.
Okay.
It's
No,
on
tell it
spelling.
loudly. Let's see spelling if you guys
Spelling.
get it right.
पल में परले होएगी बहुरी करेगा तुम. This is the only dua I know.
Show to the camera.
He's just trying to flex his Hindi spelling.
Camera's there, not here. Sure.
Chip.
So boys,
Are we done?
coming to the points.
Yes.
At the end of the quiz, we
Just
still
hold your points like that.
have GB in the lead with 35 points.
Right, and hold it like you're holding the prison thing.
Oh, like
Mugshot. Okay. In second place, we have Mooncake with 29 points.
Give the thing.
And in third place, we have Burger with 23 points. Okay.
you wrote 100.
All right, I can't wait for the.
Considering now the punishment is very easy. It's not much. Okay. How many of you guys have played Agband Tapli?
Oh, it's gonna be a good punishment.
Okay.
I don't know what that is.
So Agband Tapli is Burger will sit in between. All four of us will be behind him. Don't hit him hard. Don't hit him. Okay. So the game goes on until he guesses who hit him.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Fine. Okay. Starting in 3, 2, 1. First shot.
Dhiru.
Who hit?
Dhiru.
Wrong. Put your head down. Second shot.
Vaibhav.
Wrong. Third shot.
Dhiru.
Correct. Oh no. Ended too soon. I was gonna hit that. You hit in between.
Yeah.
Okay. We can redo it sometime.
Yes, I'll hit you with chappal now.
Actually, we should hit the expert for not being an expert.
Palkar.
Fuck.
How?
Really not chilling. Yeah.
Hey,
Fine.
come down, Palkar. Sit.
Huh?
Okay, go.
Dhiru.
No.
No.
Go da.
Okay. Burger?
No. Hey,
No.
don't fuck.
That was me.
Yes, I said dumb fuck to you, da. Try to get it fast.
No, wait, hit again. What? Why two people hitting? What is this? Hey, cut. Over. Video over. Two people.
All it.
Okay. Guys, like, share and subscribe for more content. So, the privilege of doing the outro will be given to the winner. It's just that he'll be doing it in Hindi now. So, can we have the winner do the outro in Hindi?
आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो ज़रा लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए प्लीज़. थैंक यू.
अच्छा किया.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद. शुभ दिन.